Okay, we're going to talk about seasonal maintenance. I know, snore. I get the postcards too and the emails about it's time for seasonal maintenance. It's boring, I know. But wow, you guys, does seasonal maintenance on your AC and furnace really pay for itself when it's sale time? Believe me, especially when you have receipts or proof or whatever that you've had that maintenance done annually for the last 7 years. It's the difference between people not looking twice at buying a home that's got maybe a 15-year-old furnace versus a 7-year-old furnace that you can hear the death rattle going on when it's being turned on. And I'm not kidding. It just sounds terrible. I have been part of deals before where furnaces were 25 years old and just purring like a kitten, and they offered up all their seasonal maintenance that they had done for the past, all the years that they had owned the home. So it it really makes buyers feel better, not just about those units, better about everything. Every time you can show that you have warranty information, that you've had repair work done, or you've had just maintenance type issues done in the house, you can just see the anxiety of the buyer considering an offer just go down. It makes a lot of sense when you think about it. So yeah, I know it's boring and maybe you might skip a year or a season or whatever, but do your best to keep up with it and hang on to those receipts, or at least jot down when the last time it was done so you can show that to a buyer if there is a time you ever wanted to sell the property. You guys take care.